session on understanding CLAD certification and its benefits. As part of InnoVent-27, this session will help you understand how CLAD certification can strengthen your technical skills, improve project development, and support your innovation journey. We are pleased to have Mr. Saket Dwivedi, Country Head, University Relations, Emerson, NI with us today. Without further delay, I invite Mr. Saket Dwivedi to share his insights. Over to you, sir.
Hello, I'm Saket. I manage the academic business at Emerson Test and Measurement, formerly known as NI, or as some of you might resonate with, National Instruments. NI empowers scientific and engineering exploration with adaptable tools that accelerate discovery, foster innovation, and meet the demands of the modern laboratory. NI is now part of Emerson, and we operate as the dedicated test and measurement business unit of Emerson. Tata Technologies is organizing InnoVent-27, which is the 4th edition of their national hackathon, being conducted in partnership with AWS and Emerson. This competition, meant for pre-final and final year engineering students, challenges participants to build edge AI solutions for automotive, industrial heavy machinery, aerospace sectors. Tata Technologies will offer job opportunities to top participants, along with cash prizes, access to AWS cloud computing services, Emerson's test and measurement tools, mentorship from industry experts, participation certificates for POC stage teams, and even sponsor awards including the Breakthrough Award and the Social Media Award. Sounds very rewarding, doesn't it? Emerson Test and Measurement is therefore excited to partner with Tata Technologies for InnoVent-27. Bringing AI to the edge requires robust validation, and Emerson's software-defined test and measurement solutions, which are built on NI technologies, are designed to help young innovators seamlessly transition their code from virtual simulations into rugged, real-world hardware environments. In this rapidly evolving world, especially with AI disrupting many of the traditional job functions, there is significant uncertainty among students and in general the academic community about what skills to learn and what skills to teach. Because the skills that we are learning today may or may not be relevant after 5 or 7 years. But one thing we do know for certain is that system design as a skill will continue to remain relevant in the future. System design sits at the cross-section of multiple engineering disciplines. Let me take an example of an EV. If you are designing an EV, you need to know a little bit about the battery chemistry, motors, drives, converters, heat dissipation, which are all unique to EVs, but also some of the basics which were used to design the original traditional fuel-based vehicles. For example, safety, transmission, some of those things, etc. Right? So Emerson Test and Measurement provides you the platform by which you can learn and implement system design. Emerson Test and Measurement's leading industry platform comprises both hardware and software. Our hardware ranges from teaching devices, which can be used for hands-on learning of electronics fundamentals. Even first-year engineering students can use it for learning, to research-oriented hardware, which is the same hardware being used in the industry for various applications. This is supplemented by a range of software as well, from no-code data logging software, where you can simply acquire data without the need of learning any new programming language, to data crunching and test sequencing software, to even fully integrated programming environments. NI's LabVIEW, which is our flagship software, it is a graphical programming environment used by engineers and scientists for data acquisition, instrument control, and industrial automation. Instead of writing traditional text-based code, you'll build programs, which are called virtual instruments or VIs, by visually dragging and dropping functional blocks and connecting them with wires to form flowcharts. NI's LabVIEW connects directly to thousands of instruments, sensors, and data acquisition devices right out of the box. It eliminates the need for you to write complex drivers for equipment like oscilloscopes or DMMs or power supplies. Because of its graphical data flow nature, NI's LabVIEW makes parallel processing effortless. You can execute multiple tasks simultaneously without dealing with complex threading or synchronization routines which are required in text-based languages. NI's LabVIEW comes with an interactive debugging. NI's LabVIEW includes dynamic debugging tools where users can watch data flow actively through the wires, set breakpoints, and probe multiple parts of the program simultaneously while it is running. In addition to all of this, NI's LabVIEW is fun. You can develop games such as Tetris or Tic-Tac-Toe or Snakes in NI's LabVIEW. Who knows, you might develop the next gaming startup with NI's LabVIEW. NI's platforms are used to solve complex engineering challenges across multiple industries such as aerospace and defense, semiconductor, transportation, life sciences, energy, and many other industry verticals. So whether it is the launch vehicle test for the space mission, testing the IC powering the next generation popular smartphone, testing motors and converters for the leading EV startup, development of the next gen cardiac screening device, or conducting high-end research in drones, all this would likely have an NI footprint in the journey. We shall provide online training on NI's LabVIEW as part of this contest. This training will cover all fundamentals along with sufficient course material to enable you to design your systems as part of the contest. We will also make NI's LabVIEW available free of cost for all the participants for learning and development work. During the course of this journey, you will have to demonstrate your competency on NI's LabVIEW. We will conduct an examination called the CLAD, which stands for Certified NI's LabVIEW Associate Developer. CLAD in short, this is to test your competency on NI's LabVIEW. The training that we shall provide, along with the online content that we shall make available for you, will be sufficient to write the exam. The CLAD is an entry-level examination, an entry-level certification. It validates your foundational knowledge of NI's LabVIEW graphical programming environment, core features, and best coding practices. CLAD is actually the first step in NI's tiered certification for LabVIEW. It is followed by what is called the CLD and the CLA, Certified LabVIEW Developer and Certified LabVIEW Architect. The CLAD is a multiple choice examination with 40 questions. You will have 1 hour to attempt these 40 questions, which means approximately 1.5 minutes per question. And you have to score at least 70% or higher to pass the exam. Clearing CLAD will help you earn additional points to win this contest. And of course, you enhance your chances of recruitment in jobs which require system design skills. The CLAD exam focuses on testing your application knowledge and problem-solving skills in multiple areas. You will be tested on your understanding of the LabVIEW environment. Do you understand the basic navigation and data flow principles? Your understanding of data structures, do you know scalars, arrays, clusters, waveforms? Do you understand program control like the for and while loops, case structures, sequence structures? Do you understand design patterns like state machines and simple architectural layouts? Can you manage debugging and error handling? Can you identify the errors? Can you use the debugging tools? And of course, just like any other programming language, we will test your knowledge of documentation. Can you follow the standards set by NI's LabVIEW style guides for user interfaces and block diagrams? We will make available to you sample CLAD exams for you to get a feeling of the actual exam before you write it. So, does the world of aerospace and defense, semiconductor, transportation excite you? Does the idea of designing the next generation drone or the satellite payload or the futuristic vehicle or the life-saving device attracts you enough to want to be part of the developing team? If yes, then you are sufficiently excited to join InnoVent-27 and we welcome you to consider learning and doing system design with NI's LabVIEW. Let me now talk about the CLAD exam and share a slide to explain that. Okay, so during the course of this journey, you will have to demonstrate your competency on NI's LabVIEW. We will conduct an examination called the CLAD, which stands for Certified LabVIEW Associate Developer, CLAD in short, to test your competency on LabVIEW. The training that we shall provide, along with the online content that we shall make available to you, it will be sufficient for you to write the exam. The CLAD is an entry-level certification test which is offered by NI. It basically validates your fundamental knowledge of NI's LabVIEW graphical programming environment. Do you understand the core features and the best coding practices? CLAD is actually the first step in NI's tiered LabVIEW certification path. After this, there are a couple of other exams known as the CLD, Certified LabVIEW Developer, and the CLA, the Certified LabVIEW Architect. So the CLAD is a multiple choice exam. It has 40 questions and you will get about 1 hour to attempt these 40 questions. So you have to score 70% or higher to pass the examination. Clearing CLAD, it will help you earn additional points to win this contest. And of course, you enhance your chances of recruitment in jobs which require system design as a skill. The examination will focus on testing your application knowledge and problem-solving skills with NI LabVIEW. You will be tested on the NI LabVIEW environment. Do you understand the basic navigation and data flow principles? You will be tested on data structures. Do you understand scalars, arrays, clusters, waveforms? Do you understand program control like for and while loops or case structures, sequence structures? You will be tested on design patterns. Do you understand state machines and simple architectural layouts? LabVIEW has inbuilt debugging tools. So can you identify errors, use these debugging tools, and of course, like any other programming language, can you document well? Documentation. Do you follow the standard LabVIEW style guides for user interfaces and block diagrams? Sample CLAD exams are available online and will be additionally made available to you so that you get a look and feel of the exam before you actually write it. So, does the world of aerospace and defense, semiconductor, transportation excite you? Does the idea of designing the next generation drone or the satellite payload or the futuristic vehicle or the next generation life-saving device attract you enough to want to be part of the development team? If yes, then you are sufficiently excited to join InnoVent-27 and we welcome you to consider learning and doing system design as part of the InnoVent system design track with NI's LabVIEW. Good luck.
Thank you, Mr. Saket, for sharing your valuable insights on CLAD certification. We hope this session has given you a better understanding on the certification and its benefits for your learning and innovation journey. Now, I would like to walk you through to some important points about InnoVent 2027. InnoVent is open to undergraduate engineering students from all the disciplines graduating in the year 2027 and 2028. Cross-branch participation is also allowed. However, all the team members must belong to the same college. Now let me quickly walk you through to the journey of InnoVent 2027. We successfully launched InnoVent on 4th June 26. Participants can submit their project ideas until July 2026, after which Stage 1 results will be announced in August 2026. Moving to Stage 1, shortlisted teams will participate in virtual presentation rounds and the results will be declared in October 2026. Finally, in Stage 2, selected teams will undergo training and mentorship from October to December, helping them build the prototype. All Stage 2 candidates will showcase their projects in the final demo day in January 2027, where the final winners will be announced. This structured journey ensures that the ideas are nurtured, refined, and transformed into impactful innovation. Your ideas will be evaluated on 4 key criteria. Diversity. Your team should bring together different skills, strengths, and perspectives. Novelty. Your idea should be fresh, relevant, and different from existing solutions. Prototype feasibility. You should be able to demonstrate your solution through a working demo, model, simulation, or a clear execution plan. Impact and scalability. Your solution should address a real-world problem and show potential to be applied on a larger scale. To score well, keep your ideas practical, show how it works, and clearly explain the value it can create. Participants will receive mentoring and training from industry experts, including SMEs from Tata Technologies, Emerson, and AWS, helping them strengthen both technical and practical skills. Top performing teams will be rewarded with cash prize worth 4.5 lakhs, along with special recognitions such as Breakthrough Idea Award and Social Media Awards. Most importantly, finalists presenting on demo day will also get job opportunities with Tata Technologies, making this a strong platform to kickstart their careers. Overall, InnoVent 2027 is not just a competition, but a complete learning and career building opportunity. InnoVent 27 registrations are now open till 20th July 2026. So go and scan your QR code on the screen to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. This will help you stay updated. Before we close, make sure you stay connected with us for all InnoVent 2027 updates. First, visit our Instagram handle, hit the follow button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update about the program. Next, like and follow for our Facebook page. And finally, follow us on LinkedIn and turn on notifications. This will help you stay updated about all the important announcements about InnoVent 2027. Thank you for joining us live. We wish you the very best and can't wait to see your innovative solutions.